Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool and simple origami bridal flower by Jeremy Shafer, and check it out. So here it is, and what's cool about it is that you can fold a stem, and remember, here's this tutorial to learn how to fold it, and it balances really nice. And of course, it can spin a little bit too, if you shake it right. And yeah, or you can spin it like this too. Oh, there you go, just like that. And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model. And it looks almost related to the inflatable tulip, but see, it's open in the inside. Yeah, and what's cool about it is that it can be a little cup too. You can put stuff inside. Maybe a little Easter egg. And this was also designed by Jeremy Shafer right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, there we go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this demo. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.